Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Take It Simple. In today's guide video we're gonna look at how you can fix temporary block problem on Messenger. If you see a notification that you are temporarily blocked from Messenger, this could have been caused because you have violated the community guidelines of Messenger. This could happen without you knowing and doing anything at all also. Now, to fix this problem, you will need to open the app of Facebook and report a problem to the company. Now what you can do is open up the app of Facebook and click on the three lines. From here, go to help and support and report a problem. Now again, tap on continue to report a problem. Now from here, click on messages. Now a screenshot will be added automatically. You can remove this screenshot and you can add in a screenshot of the notification that is seen on the Messenger app, and you can write in a report of the exact problem that you're facing to the company. After you do that, your problem should be solved within a few hours, and it could sometimes even take up to a few days. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.